Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get shift lock on Roblox mobile. All right, as you can see here, I have the game opened, which is mic'd up. Okay, you can go ahead and tap on settings right here. Go to settings once more, and shift lock is available. Okay, now if you have opened a game where shift lock isn't available, okay, the reason for that is that shift lock is a feature primarily for PC and keyboard users. Okay, but some games add a custom in-game button for it. Otherwise, the closest mobile alternative is setting your camera mode to classic. So if you do have this option, okay, settings, shift lock, make sure that this one is turned on. Well, once that's done, you're good to go. On some of the games, or Roblox game, have the special button right here at the bottom right or the bottom left, where you can just go ahead and enable or disable shift lock. Okay, but if you don't have that option, well, go to settings once more. Go to settings, okay, right here. Now just make sure that your camera mode is set to classic, okay, for better camera control. As again, native shift lock isn't built for touch screens, okay. That is it. You can go ahead and try another game like Roblox Food, okay, that one got a shift lock as well. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.